Have you been searching for the almost perfect family vehicle with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2019 Honda Odyssey EXL in lunar silver. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, shark fin antenna, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 37,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature controls, power sliding rear doors, rear DVD entertainment center, third row seating, power liftgate, 3.5-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 80398.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.